Okay, short rundown. Drywall finish is still pretty wet, especially right there. I had to cake it in. So I can't touch that. But I went ahead and first coated this whole wall with a skim coat. You can see there, these high and low spots are going to take quite a while to fill in. It will take some time, like this hole right here. That big hole is down low. You can see there, drywall shrinks as it dries, and it's caked in there too, so it's also going to bubble up a little bit. It's going to have bubbles in it, and that's just going to take a lot of coats. Right here, where I cut the line, all I do is come in, give it a light sand, and go over it again with my knife, and go. You can see I had to fill that in. The edge, it's caked with mud around the edge and smoothed out, and that's slowly going to build up and fill in. So there you have it.